Has this ever happened to you? You show up to church and suddenly someone says, hey, you're on sound today. Just do your best.
And your best sounds like a big blast of feedback as the congregation screams, oh my God, covering their ears.
Google, what do all these knobs do? Please, God, don't let it squeal again. If you're a church sound volunteer with zero training, or even if you know a little but feel totally lost, this is for YOU.
GandG Productions created a beginner-friendly ebook that walks you step by step through how to get better sound on Sunday without fancy words or tech overwhelm.
The Church Sound for Beginners ebook is made for people who know nothing about sound and people who know just enough to be dangerous.
You can start understanding your sound system better right away and make improvements starting this Sunday. Stop guessing. Stop panicking. Click the link and start learning how to run church sound without ruining worship.